Hi, Hemant. How are you?
Hi Akshay, doing great. What about you, man?
Yeah, Hemant, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So, Hemant, why don't you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Hemant. Currently, I'm working as data analyst at TCS.
Mm-hmm.
Recently, I completed my graduation by 2020 in Electronics and Communication Engineering branch, and I'm from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Hope everyone know
Oh,
it.
great, great. We know Hemant. We know it's great. So, Hemant, this is my second question. Since you are currently working in TCS, I think you'll be missing your college days, right? So,
Yeah, of course.
yeah. How were your college days, and how did you plan for this placement thing?
Yeah, everyone gonna miss their graduation. It's for
Mm-hmm.
sure, damn sure. Everyone miss their friends, college, the and teachers, the bunking part.
Working part, yeah. Fact.
Yeah, and making jokes with friends.
Mm-hmm.
And while coming to placements,
Mm-hmm.
we should be not careful. We should be aware that without getting a job, going out isn't it that good? And
Mm-hmm.
you won't even imagine the picture when you
Agree.
came. So prepare uh, any one or two languages,
Mm-hmm.
coding language, whichever your branch. I mean, you are from mechanical, civil. Get some knowledge from the coding. One or I mean, C, Java. Just go. No, I mean, just know the basics of those
Mm-hmm.
things,
Mm-hmm.
and get some practice in quants,
Okay.
reasoning,
Mm-hmm.
ability, those things.
So Hemant, say us about your company.
Yeah, actually, while coming to company, TCS is the world's number two. While coming to IT industries,
Mm-hmm.
it has among almost 5 lakh plus employees in TCS
Mm-hmm.
in whole world.
Okay.
And while coming to work culture, we can balance our life,
Mm-hmm.
work stress,
Mm.
work life balance. We can balance it from TCS while we working in TCS.
Okay.
The pressure will be not so much, but it was there, but we can manage it.
Mm-hmm.
It was good, and they cares employees health everything.
Mm. So I mean, like they are taking good care of their employees.
Yeah, of course.
So any talk on its recruitment process?
Yeah, while coming to recruitment, TCS conducts two exams,
Okay.
TCS Ninja and Digital.
Mm-hmm.
In TCS Ninja will be for 3.36 LPA
Mm-hmm.
and Digital will be for 7 LPA.
Mm.
And while coming to Ninja process, there will be three steps.
Mm-hmm.
One is the I mean written exam.
Mm.
Another one is technical interview, and final one is HR round.
HR. Mm.
While coming to written will be easily qualified
Mm.
if we are good at some quants, mathematics,
Mm-hmm.
and some just a small knowledge on coding,
Mm.
logical thinking. You
Okay.
can and English main thing. You can qualify the written,
Mm.
and then technical exam. Obviously, you should be you should have some knowledge on some coding languages
Okay.
and go through about your project before
Uh-huh.
attending technical
Yeah.
interview and then final HR interview. It will be clear obviously if you are good at communication and all.
Okay. HR is all about just casual talk, right? Say
Yeah,
us about.
casual talk about our communication and our I mean we can balance the life and stress,
Mm-hmm.
and we will be able to work in different location, pan
Yeah.
India
Mm.
locations.
Mm.
Yeah, they will test everything.
Okay. So Hemant, last but not the least, any suggestions to our audience?
Yeah, just I mean, while preparing your resume, it should be small and crisp. It should have some very specific points only. I mean, if you know C, just keep it as I know only C,
Mm-hmm.
basics of C, basics of Java, and don't ever keep so many things, and it will mess up your interviews. If you clear the written exam, it was fine, and while coming to interview, they'll check your resume. In resume, if you have two, three, four languages,
Mm.
it will mess up you only.
Mm.
They will ask n number of questions in that.
Mm.
If you are not able to say, it was your problem. So keep it as small and crisp. If you know only Java, just keep it as Java and be thorough in it. Yeah, while coming to technical and HR process, just go with the flow and don't ever mask up the things.
Mhm.
Whatever you know, just express those things. That's all. And while coming to HR, just know about the company
Mhm.
and company HR policies,
Mhm.
and they will ask about the company and the family background. That's all. While coming to HR part,
Okay.
and that's it, guys. All the best for your exam. Do it. Grab it.
Great. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you for your inputs and thank you for making time and being part of today's session. And I hope that these inputs gonna be informative for our audience and they can implement in their preparation and make use of it. And if they are getting a 0.1% of benefit, then I think that my work is satisfied. So
Yeah.
take care, guys, and be safe with your family and take care of your family. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Akshay.